Imagine a world without Trello. Can you picture it? No more boards, lists, and cards. No more easy collaboration, task management, and project organization. It's a scary thought, right? But what if I told you that Trello, once a beloved productivity tool, was on the brink of failure? That's right. The app that helped millions of people stay organized and efficient was facing a crisis. Before we dive into the reasons for Trello's decline, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Trello was launched in 2010, and it quickly gained popularity due to its simple yet effective interface. It was a game changer for teams and individuals who were struggling to keep track of their tasks and projects. Reason 1. The rise of competitors. One of the main reasons for Trello's decline was the emergence of powerful competitors. Asana, Monday.com, and Jira, among others, offered similar features and often had more advanced functionalities. These competitors were able to attract users with their unique selling points and more robust capabilities. Reason 2. Lack of innovation. While Trello was a great tool in its early days, it failed to keep up with the rapidly evolving landscape of productivity apps. The company didn't introduce significant new features or improvements at a fast enough pace. As a result, users started to feel that Trello was becoming outdated and less relevant. Reason 3. User experience issues. Despite its simplicity, Trello had some user experience issues that could be frustrating for users. Some complained about the lack of advanced search and filtering options, while others found the app's mobile version to be less than ideal. These issues contributed to a decline in user satisfaction. Reason 4. Integration challenges. Trello's integration with other popular tools and services was often limited or cumbersome. This made it difficult for users to seamlessly incorporate Trello into their existing workflows. As a result, many users turned to competitors that offered better integration capabilities. Reason 5. Corporate ownership. In 2017, Trello was acquired by Atlassian, a large software company. While this acquisition provided Trello with additional resources, it also led to some concerns among users. Some worried that Atlassian's focus on enterprise customers would come at the expense of the individual user experience. The future of Trello. Despite the challenges it has faced, Trello is still a viable productivity tool. The company has taken steps to address some of the issues that have contributed to its decline. For example, Trello has introduced new features and improvements, and it has worked to enhance its integration capabilities. However, Trello will need to continue to innovate and adapt if it wants to remain competitive in the crowded market for productivity apps. The company will also need to focus on providing a great user experience and ensuring that its product meets the needs of both individual users and teams. So why did Trello fail? The answer is complex. It's a combination of factors, including the rise of competitors, a lack of innovation, user experience issues, integration challenges, and corporate ownership. While Trello has faced significant challenges, it's not dead yet. The company has the potential to rebound if it can continue to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of its users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.